We know that spending money on home maintenance is not fun. However, it's a necessary evil and part of home ownership. One way to avoid throwing your money into thin air is to have a conversation with a Bosley real estate agent. Your Bosley real estate agent is trained to look at your property through the eyes of a buyer. Yes, they may be critical, however, they ensure that you're not wasting your money on unnecessary maintenance costs. Therefore, fix grouting, loose taps, and doorknobs. If you can see it, fix it, and therefore you'll be able to enjoy your home. Remember to always service your HVAC and mechanicals, as it will save you thousands of dollars over the years and provide you with long-term enjoyment. Remember this, when selling, the greatest return on your investment will be a fresh coat of paint. Along with a deep clean of your property, it will give you the highest return when selling your home. A well-maintained home will always sell faster and for a higher price than a poorly maintained one. By cleaning your gutters and windows and tidying your garden, it will create an inviting atmosphere for homeowners and buyers alike. Last but not least, curb appeal. As they say in life, first impressions make the difference. Hire your Bosley sales professional today to ensure that you are spending your money in the right place.